In this video, I'll show you how to use the sleep timer on Spotify. Now, if you love your music you're currently playing on Spotify to stop while you have slept, I'll show you what you need to do. So open your Spotify, select the song you love to use for this. So let's say if I would love to, I love this music to stop playing. Let me say once I've slept, let me say in an hour or 45 minutes time, what I need to do, I'll click on this three dotted icon. You're going to be able to see sleep timer, so click on it. So let's say if I've currently went to bed or if I've slept and I would love this music to stop playing within this range of time. It can be 45 minutes, it can be 1 hour, it can be 30 minutes. So you need to select any of the time duration for this to be able to work out for you. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next video.